Okay, good afternoon all of you, and today we will discuss about to the project management entrepreneurship, and that is the unit 2. And unit 2 is basically we are working on the introduction to innovation. So let's discuss about to introduction to innovation. Innovation is basically a new idea, new market, new methods, and something new which is not in the market, something new which is not in the knowledge. So that is called the innovation. So the term innovation refers to new way of doing something. New way of doing something means we have to do something new, which is not previously doing. So it may refer to incremental and emergent of radical and revolutionary changes in thinking. First one is thinking, second one is product, third is process or the organization. So any kind of new things is basically is called the innovation, just like the thinking, just like the product, just like the process, just like the organization. So basically the innovation recipe is creativity plus failure and plus iteration. It means, so we have to first creativity means just we have to we have a mind about to any new product. For example, in the COVID-19 duration, we don't have a vaccine, so it is we create a vaccine for the COVID-19 virus. So that is creativity, according to the genome virus or the virus failure or different type of methods we are using for to create the COVID-19 COVID virus vaccine. So they are failed, then iterate, then they are failing, and then iterate, and then finally they overcome the new vaccine or the new product of the market. So that is called the innovation. So according to Scumter, argued that innovation comes about through a new combination made by an entrepreneur resulting in. So resulting in means the outcome. Outcome basically it is a product. We can see that a new process or opening of new market, and the new way of organizing the business, and next one is a new source of supply. So these are the five different type of combination that is represented by the Scumter for the innovation. A new product, just like the new product into the market, for example COVID-19 vaccine. A new process, according to the for the operation purpose we are using the robotics process. Opening a new market, just like a market is not in anywhere, any places, so that is create the new market. And new, the way of organizing the business is just like to supply chain, raw material, or the or next one is the new sources of supply. So that is the basically using of the innovation. So Scumter 1934 discussed invention from innovation and identify five type of innovation. So five type of innovation. The first is new process. New process, it means the new method of the production. A new market, it means the opening a new market. A new supply chain, it means a new source of the supply. New business industry, it means the new type of organization. And new product, a new product for the improvement. So that these are the Scumter type of innovation, and the example of these innovation, just like the new process in the Ford car manufacturing assembly lines, they are using the new process. New market, analog to digital, that is the new market. New supply chain, we are using the international air travel. Our new business industry, we can say that the internet, that is the new business industry. And new product is the mobile phone. So basically these type of different type of innovation are there according to the Scumter. So an innovation can increase profits. How we can increase the profits using the innovation? So it is basically belongs to the both side. Value sides. Value side means customer values your innovation enough to pay for it, or the cost side, the company produces the offering in a more efficient way. So value side, it means it is according to the customer, or cost side, it is basically according to the company. So either way, value is created for the firm and the consumer. If suppose if the customer is not happy, so the product is not, it will not sell. But if the customer is happy, the company profit is increased time to time. Okay. So for example here, that is the invention. Cycle is the invention. Initially they have to invented the cycle, but according to the different iteration, we are using the innovation, that is the riding cycles. Okay. So basically invention, it is the first step of any innovation, First, they have to invent it. That according to the consumer market, we have to modify these invention and create a innovation according to the invention. Okay. So invention, innovation and the invention. So invention is basically is different from the innovation at any particular time, in that it is doesn't have commercial value. Initially, the invention doesn't have a commercial value. It is basically, it is a research purpose, but it may have in the future. For example, if you have a research for any product, and you have a research about any chemical process, so they have a not on that time commercial value, but if you are patent that values, patent your work, and then it may be futures we can using the commercially value. Okay. So there is no shortage of idea and invention in the world. There's lot of invention, lot of ideas according to the world. So the challenge is to introduce these successfully to a market. Only that idea, invention, can be called as an innovation. Okay. So in other words, innovation require interplay between a product offering like technology and a market like people. For example, suppose we have a mobile phone. Initially they have a large mobile phone, it is a very heavy mobile phone, but if into the invention, that mobile phone are using a necessary part of the any human being. Okay, they have using for communication purpose, they are using for the photography purpose, they are using for the surfing purpose, they are using for the gaming purpose, so they are using for the transaction purpose, they are using for the banking purpose. So mobile are today's scenario, that is a very important thing. So innovation provide better quality product at lower price, which leads higher standard of the living. So that is the using of the innovation. For example, this diagram, invention means creation of something new, for example mobile, or result in the new knowledge. Or innovation means transformation of an idea or resources into useful application, or and then result in new product or service or process, for example the mobile phone. So how many type of innovation? Basically we have divided innovation into the three types. The first one is the product, just like the mobile phone. Second one is the process innovation, just like the process of for robotics purpose for operation. And third is service innovation, using the any innovation for just like the banking purpose. The banking purpose has a very good innovation, for example UPI, so that is the service innovation. Okay, so these are the three different type of innovation. So product innovation, for example here initially we have a only candle, then bulb, then LED, and then LCD, then LED. So these are the basically commercially purpose we are using for one step to the another process. So that is called the product innovation, one process to the another process. Okay, so change in how the product is noticed by the consumers, change in the physical structure, like mobile phone. Initially the mobile phone is very large, but right now there is only small mobile phone in your pocket. So these changes include changes in product design, research and development, and new product development, that is called the NPD, to meet customer needs and demand. According to the, if the customer need the new feature included in my mobile, just like the transaction 5G and 6G and different new innovation are going on. The degree of changes can include the following: incremental improvement in the in your product, addition to product families, it is a next generation products, new core products. So these are the basically the incremented into the product innovation. For example of the production innovation are as follows: introducing a new screen size for the TV, or the new form of the TVs, changing from the CRT TV to the plasma screen or flat screen or LED, adding functionality such as internet, Android TV are into the market. So these are the basically performing time to time, incremental, according to the user's need. If the users need as Android TV, that they are putting Android in your TV. Okay, so that is the basically the product innovation. Continuous improvement, making the product more efficient and the effective, useful or the user friendly, valuable to the users, integrated with the other product and technologies or the system. So basically these are the product innovation for your purpose, and so that the new product is very efficient, very effective, very user friendly, and very valuable to the users and integrated with the other product and technology also. Next one is, second one is the process innovation. So process innovation, for example, I am taking the example of the robotic surgery. That is the process of the new process of the surgery. So it involves a new or significantly improved method for the production of delivery of output that add value to the organization. Okay, so the term process refer to an interrelated set of activities designed to transform inputs into a specific output for benefits of customer. So process relate to all operational activities by which value is offered to the end customer, such as acquisition of raw material, manufacturing, logistic and after sales services. So process innovation, what are the criteria are there? Simpler, faster, more accurate, more reliable, less expensive, and reducing unit cost by improving the production capacity. Okay, so these are the process innovation. The last one is the service innovation. So in this diagram, already you have to show all these things. Service innovation is working in all field, like efficiency, like technology, like solution, like reliability, improvement, practices, customer and the client. So that is called the service innovation. The service involve products intangible that form an extended part of the product life cycle, from initial sales to end of life recycling and the disposable. Okay, so service industries in the areas such as finance, food, education, transportation, health make up most organization in any economy. So these organizations also need to innovate continuously so that they can increase or improve the level of services to their customer. So basically the service innovation is used to help the customer to easily provided the services. For example, Swiggy, Zomato, for example, trading services. So many services are there, they are using for the service innovation. So now new way of providing services are new services, just like the Swiggy and Zomato. They are providing the food in your home. So new IT or new information technology platform, particularly the internet, have added the scope of the service innovation. So internet is a valuable resources on which new services, relationship between organization and their customer are being developed every day, technology and the better services. So that is called the service innovation. So how many types of innovation are there? Different person have a different opinion about the innovation. For example, Christensen's 1997 identified two types of innovation. First is disruptive innovation and sustaining innovation. Okay, so the former, disruptive innovation, involve a new value proposition by which new markets are created. So in such instance, individual or business organization seize upon basic invention and transform them into economic innovation, thereby disequilibrating and altering the existing market structure, then waiting until the process eventually settle down before the next wave of the innovation begin. So in contrast, the latter, sustaining innovation, are best thought of improvement to existing product, process or the market. So that is called the sustaining. So how many phases of the innovation? Innovation has the two phases. The first one is the design phase and second one is to the implementation phase. So design phase means we have to design about to the innovation, and first we have to create a design, and then after creation of the design you have to implement it particular design. So the design phase is marked by much divergent thinking and creativity, brainstorming, search for alternative, etc. So we have to thinking, brainstorming, or we can say that the grouping, and so we can create a design for any innovation. So research studies or patent or suggested that the management of the design phase needs to be marked by the great administrative flexibility and these type of innovation to achieve the necessary growth to survive. So that is the today's topic is complete. Basically we have to discuss about the innovation, type of innovation, invention, what is the difference between invention and the innovation, phases of the innovation, phases of the and the type of the innovation. So if you have any query, just contact me on my mail ID guptapradeep@akgec.ac.in. Thank you.